I wanted to share with you a traveling turn combination that I'm using in my current Alice in Wonderland production. We're currently on tour, the BD Experience. So I thought I'd share a little something with you. This is from a scene down the rabbit hole, and we're entering in around Alice, just to give you a little context there. So let's practice the step side to side with the mirror, and then we're gonna travel it in a circle. So you can kind of get that sensation of a traveling step. Working in theater, you got to think about all the traveling. So pretty easy step. Facing the mirror. All right, let's start with the right foot. We step right, left, wrap, turn. Here, what I mean by wrap turn, the right arm is in front when I turn to the right. Then I step left, right, left, right, left. And if you notice, I'm going to turn a little bit on the diagonal since I'm going side to side. All right, the first one goes 1, 2, 3, and 4. Step 5, 6, 7, and 8 on the left. You end on the left. Now we're going to do a drag step to the right. Drag, cross, wrap the turn here. So same thing with the wrap. When you drag, really have that energy in the arms as you go down and around and you cross, and your arms will naturally land in this wrap. Step right. Now we do it to the left. Step left, cross right, step left, right, left. Then we're going to step right, left, halo, turn to the right, left, right, halo, turn to the left, and then we're going to add that drag step, the same drag step we just did. Briefly talking about the halo turn. Make sure that right arm doesn't go too far back when you're turning to the right, so it goes up just over the head here. And imagine you have a giant crown or a big halo or horns, whatever suits you. So let's go from the top, and then we'll add the drag step on again. So starting with the right foot, we go walk, walk, right, and left, right, left, drag right, cross, right turn, and step left, left, step right, left, halo, turn, and left, right, to the left, drag right, cross left, turn to the right, drag left, cross right, turn to the left. So we do that whole sequence traveling in a circle. We're going to practice it with music side to side, and then we'll travel to a circle. Next step goes, your weight ends on the left. We step right, left, down, and up. The counts are 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Arms come up on 8, feet come together, look up, lots of energy in that upper back. 8, and then you're going to float down. And then we'll just loop that as a drill. So we'll drill it a couple times with a mirror and then in a circle. Let's do it one more time with the mirror, and then we'll add in the traveling to the circle. Let's go from the top, just the side to side. Then we'll add in the circle. Right, left, wrap, turn right, step left, left, drag to the right, wrap, turn right, left, turn right, walk right, left, halo to the right, step left, halo to the left, drag step again, cross, turn and turn, left, turn and turn. Your weight is left, step 1, 2, down 3, up 4, step 5, 6, 7, 8, and open. Nice and slow. Use those energy, pull those elbows down, use your lats, use your rhomboids, find that energy there, and then we'll repeat it. Let's see what it looks like when we're traveling in a circle. So imagine Alice is in the middle, she's going down the rabbit hole, and we're circling around. So that drag step, sometimes you're facing in, and then sometimes you're facing out. So have that sensation about circling the stage. Okay, entering in from stage left, we step with the rights. Right, left, wrap, turn right, step left, left, drag right, cross, turn, step left, cross, turn, and walk right, left, halo, left, halo, left, drag, cross, right turn, and left, left, walk right, left, down and up, and step, step, step together. reach, energy in those fingers. Pull down. One more time, traveling in a circle. The feet are exactly the same as you're going side to side. Here we go, entering in with the right foot, and we go step, step, right, left, and left, right, left, left. Drag right, cross, wrap, turn, and left, right, left. Step right, left, halo, turn to the right, and left, right, halo, left. Drag right, facing in, and the last one is facing out. Left, right, left, step 1, 2, down 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Energy, press. And then we're going to reset, because we're going to drill it a bunch of times. We're looping this section. You know I love repetition, but it's a great traveling step if you're thinking about joining Alice in Wonderland, the BD experience, or if you are working in theater or working on traveling steps, if you do big weddings or events. Travel steps are super, super important, and I am always a big fan of turns, so some variations with the turns. All right, let's drill it with music.